Hey everybody, it's me again. This is it. We're here. We're done. Um, it's the last video. Um, all I really wanted to say, guys, is good luck when you take this final. Um, it's pretty easy. Last week you got to preview it, and if you came to class, you got to practice doing it. We've had some fun in class this week, or this last week. Um, so Monday and Tuesday, if you're a senior and you're not exempt, you'll be taking my final on Monday and Tuesday. If you are a um, underclassmen, then you will be taking yours Wednesday and Thursday. Pretty easy. Guys, take your time, do your best work. Um, all your grades are pretty much your grades. Last Thursday was when everything was due. I've got most everything graded. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out. But assignments are done. I'm not accepting anymore. So now enough with that stuff. Let me just say, it's been an awesome year. It's been one of the most memorable years in my life. This is my first year ever teaching. Um, and as I reflect back on it, I've learned so much in just this short year. Um, you guys were very patient with me and helped me develop a lot in this first year. I feel so much better about coming into next year and so many things I'm going to do differently. And some things I'm going to try and just do better. But you guys were an awesome group. Um, just as you go out this summer and you get ready to go to school next year, whether if you are a senior and you're going to college, if you're a freshman about to be a sophomore, junior, senior, whatever, just this next year, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys in the hallways. I also look forward to you just taking another step as becoming adults. Um, it's been really cool. I really enjoyed you guys. Uh, you know, I can't I don't know how to put in words. It's just been a really good year, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And I know some of us have had struggles. Some of us have had, pretty much all of us have had a struggle of some sort with this year being 2021, but we got through it. We made it. So I'm so proud of each and every one of you. And I can't wait to see what you blossom into over these next few years. But anyway, that's all I have. It's nothing special. It's just really wanted to say goodbye and thank you. Um, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll see you guys around. Probably see you around if you're in Galveston. I live in Galveston. I'll see you guys around. So, anyway, y'all have a great summer, and I look forward to seeing y'all's bright faces, probably without a mask, next year. So it's gonna be awesome. But anyway, take it easy, y'all.